Hi guys!
It's Pancake Day!
You already know guys, it's Pancake Day and today is a day when we eat pancakes. Woohoo!
I feel like this Pancake Day is much more better because we have got half term and it's just more convenient.
Okay guys, so my mom has saved 1.5 cups for her own Nigerian pancake, and so the rest will be our sweet pancake.
But guys, which one is your favorite to eat on Pancake Day? Savory or sweet?
For me, they're both really good.
I agree.
Mix.
I was trying my best to mix it, but it was a bit rough.
So here's Wisdom cutting the strawberries.
I'm like a master chef.
What will I be doing?
Helping me and me.
Huh?
Please, let's not comment about the way I said me and me.
Yes, I'll comment. Why did he say me and me? Anyway, I was cutting the bananas like a chef.
Guys, do you know how Pancake Day was originated?
Well, Pancake Day, also known as Shrove Tuesday, is the traditional feast day before the start of Lent on Ash Wednesday, which is tomorrow.
Traditionally, during Lent, Christians would give up rich, tasty foods such as butter, eggs, sugar, and fat. Shrove Tuesday was the last chance to eat them, and what better way to do so than with delicious pancakes?
But why do Christians give up these tasty treats in Lent?
Yeah, but
why?
Well, it's because Lent is a period of fasting, reverence, and spiritual discipline.
So giving up these enjoying things are a form of sacrifice and penance.
Therefore, Pancake Day, aka Shrove Tuesday, helps us to get ready for Lent.
Ah!
I see.
Right, Master Chef.
Are you sure about that?
Bro, my food was better than Fibbles.
It wasn't.
Too fair.
No, it wasn't.
No, man was the best so far.
Everybody well.
So let's do this.
Good job, Danny Wenny.
My mum done mine because I don't really know if I can.
Hola.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Bravo. Now I'm going to make my Nigerian pancake. This is sweet pancake. I'm going to enjoy their sweet pancake. So I'm going to make my savory with onions. Yeah, I'm going to add onion to it. Some fresh parsley.
So guys, Mummy is making her savory pancakes while we are enjoying ours, and in my opinion hers was more better because I'm very fond with savory stuff than sweet. Am I right?
Yeah, you're
Yes.
definitely right.
Happy Pancake Day!
Let's do this.
Happy pancake day.
I know.
One of these.
So soft.
Guys, can we start off by saying thank you to our wonderful mum who made these amazing pancakes.
The pancakes was so good. Like, I was so sad when I came to my last bite.
I know, same. We were literally counting our bites and it was so emotional, right, Emmanuel?
I didn't count my bites, but yeah.
Okay, so you can see my strength being applied on that juicing of the orange. Orange is like my favorite fruit, and then it's mango. Orange is so good when it's really sweet, and the juice. I think I'm fantasizing about oranges. I'm sorry, guys. But anyways, Mommy is eating her savory pancakes.
Oh, the savoury pancakes were immaculate. I had a go, and yeah, it's just really good.
You saw his eyes go really big.
I came out of nowhere and just took some.
Yeah, because the guy was watching TV, and then he came. I was like, wow, I'm taking this and going back. Bye bye, guys.
Like, I feel like the savoury pancakes is way better than the sweet ones.
Yeah, but they were both good. They were
Yeah.
made with love, and that's what counts.
Yeah.
So, guys, we are cleaning and we are helping mommy out because she's going to work.
Other than that, guys, thank you guys for watching, and
Happy Pancake Day!
I hope you guys celebrate your pancake day because tomorrow is Ash Wednesday and you better be ready for Lent. Right, guys?
Yeah.
Bye!
Bye. See you in the next one.